Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be seeing the revolved cut tutorial. So here I've already drawn a diagram. So first let's revolve this using the revolve option. So let's activate the revolve option. Axis of revolution is this, and let's do it for 270 so that we can see the changes. So first let's look at all the default options. So first let's draw the sketch to be cut through. So let me sketch on this profile. Suppose if I want a hexagonal profile to be cut, I'll just draw a hexagon and exit sketch. Now I'll just select this and activate revolve cut, and now for the axis of revolution I'll use this. So this is cutting through the entire thing because it's 360 over here. And we can also add the second direction. Suppose I make this say 180 and this 200 or something like that. Okay, 200 will not work, so 90. So it's cutting up to the surface. So, and if I don't want the cut in between this part, I can use this option. For now, let's deactivate it and keep it at 270. We can also activate the thin feature. So it's like this. When the thin feature is used, we get option to save which all bodies. So we can select OK for all the bodies will be saved. Suppose if you don't want this middle part, you can just take it off by selecting body one. Only the outer body will be selected and the inner one will not be. And similarly, if you select body 2, the outer one will not be saved, the inner one will be saved. And now let's undo this option to look into the other options available in revolve cut. For that I'll be drawing another body on this. So and then sketch on this. I'll just draw a simple rectangle and extrude it. Now let's again activate the revolve cut option. So select the axis once again. Now we have blind and we can choose up to which vertex we can go up to. Suppose I want to cut till this vertex in direction 1, I can choose this. It's cutting up till there. And similarly on direction 2 also I can do that, up to vertex, to this vertex I can do. And up to surface I can do it, suppose I want it till this surface, I can do it up to this surface also. So it's coming till this surface. And offset from surface, I can offset it from this surface. It is 10 mm offset from this selected pink surface. I can even reset the offset. It is 10 mm behind now. And make this. Even on the second side we can do the same. Up to this vertex I can do it. And same parameters follow. I can do it up to this surface and offset from surface and also reverse offset. So this is how revolve cut works. You can even choose this planes available here. So it's cutting up to this surface. So based on your requirement, you can choose however you want it to be done. So this was revolve cut. Thank you guys for watching. Hope it was helpful. If you have any doubts, you can ask them in the comments. I'll try my best to answer them. Thank you for watching.